Hello viewers, today I discuss the single phase forced refrigerator wiring full diagram. First, show the compressor. Compressor terminal 3 terminal common, start terminal or running terminal, or compressor to connection the relay or capacitor, or overload compressor or fan or thermostat or timer. Timer pin number 1, 2, 3 or 4. 1 or 3 terminal voltage or output for NC2. Bimetal defrost heater, thermal fuse or door switch or door light. First connection neutral to thermal fuse or fan motor, negative terminal. Negative to overload connection or overload to motor common terminal connection, or neutral to light negative connection, negative complete phase to door switch connection, positive or light connection door switch outgoing, or positive thermistor connection the outgoing to timer 3 terminal, or depositor to bimetal connection, bimetal to timer 2 number 2 terminal connection, or depositor outgoing to 1 terminal connection pin number 1, or 4 outgoing to fan motor connection. Timer 4 minute capacitor to relay connection 2 terminal, or starting to relay connection, running to connection, or compressor motor negative connection complete starting outgoing to timer pin number 4 to running connection to starting control to compressor motor. Full diagram in non-forced refrigerator. Very simple non-forced. Thank you.